Hi, my name is Michelle Poland, the Principal at Moranbah State High School.
What did you think of today?
I thought that today was fantastic, especially for my staff, to have some time to engage in AI and the different components of AI that we can use in the school.
As a school leader, what's been some of the feedback that you observed from the staff members attending through with the other school members here as well?
Some of the feedback today was very exciting because people were really engaged with what was happening today, and it was really noticeable that the staff members were looking at how they could utilise that in their classroom. The PD today was very focused on classroom work and how our staff can utilise that in the classroom, so it was a really valuable day of learning.
Awesome. Would you recommend it?
I would really recommend it, and I'm hoping that you're available for Student Free Day.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.